Good morning from Natural Roots. Peter Brader here. Let's get this young lady here all washed and detangled, ready for some medium blotless. I'll come back when it's blown out and prep for braiding. Oh yeah, Mia on track. Now let's get this head detangled and blown out. Prep for them braids.